So today we're gonna make peach habanero wings. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Morgan from Morganic Essentials, where we bring together tasty and affordable whole food cooking. My favorite wing sauce is actually mango habanero, and peaches have been in season lately in Georgia and they've just been so ripe and sweet and delicious. How fun would it be to like bring these flavors together and instead of like a mango habanero, do like a peach habanero sauce? So I've got my chicken wings and they are nice and dry. You wanna make sure you get some moisture off and pat it down with a towel. Put them in this bowl. Let's start adding some seasonings. Let me add in the baking powder first. I'm going to spray it with some avocado oil. Don't be scared. All right, so now we're actually gonna season it. So I'm gonna add an onion powder, smoked paprika, a little pepper. We are gonna add salt too. A little sea salt, a little cayenne, and garlic powder. You wanna make sure there's some seasoning on every piece of the chicken. And don't be afraid to add more seasoning too if you feel like you need it. One little tip, you wanna make sure there's no like little ashy parts on the chicken. So if you're seeing any like caked up white residue, you wanna just add a little bit more oil and just rub it in, okay? You see how that's looking? That's how you want it to look. Another thing, you don't want to crowd the air fryer. So make sure there's a little bit of separation between each wing. That's going to help it get even crispier, okay? And we are going to cook these wings on 400 for 25 minutes. So while our wings are cooking in the air fryer, we're going to get started on our sauce. First thing we're going to do, I'm probably going to use about half of this peach. We want to peel the peach, okay? So next, I'm gonna take a few garlic cloves. I saw something online where it's like if you smash it before you start trying to peel your garlic, the skin comes off easier, and it actually does. A couple tablespoons. So now we're gonna add our peaches. We are just gonna let that garlic get fragrant with the butter and peaches. Oh, and then we're gonna add our hot sauce. And again, use whatever hot sauce you like, whatever favorite hot sauce you have. This hot sauce has habaneros in it. Oh, it's gonna be so good. We're gonna end up blending this up, guys. So I'm just gonna add maybe like a little tablespoon of honey. And between the honey and the peaches, it's gonna be sweetness to it. But this sauce is actually, it's got a nice kick. It's got this like sweet garlic finish. Done, we've tasted it, it tastes great. So I'm gonna add this to our blender and we're just gonna blend it up, okay? All that steam. Yeah. First of all, look at the crispness on these wings. I told you, if you do them just like that, just like I taught you, they're gonna get nice and crispy. For my ASMR people, let me just drag this across so you can hear the crispness on this wing. Ah! We are just gonna toss some of this sauce on the wings. So just pour a little bit. And we are just gonna toss them in our big bowl. Yeah, and that's how they're gonna look, just like that. Save that extra sauce for whatever you want, a little dipping sauce. Totally optional, but so it looks pretty. Just add some green onion on top. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test. Comment below, are you wings or flats? I like both, so I don't care. All right, let's give it a try. This is so good. The perfect blend of flavors. Oh my God. And then the texture. This is a perfect game day recipe. Make this at home. Comment below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos up here or up here. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.